Me and Tom have just, Norman, have just left the group. We're going to go for an adventure to the roof. Come on, Nom. You can do it. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, there's no observation deck anymore. Oh yeah, here it is. Quick, Norman. Come on. Alright. Come. Woo! It's bright. Alright. So here's Denmark. We're leaving Denmark. Come, Nom. This way. So we're leaving Denmark now and we're going to Sweden. We're crossing the channel. Sweden. And here we are. Sweden. Jump on the chair, you can look. Yeah. I did this journey with Sarah 3 years ago where we came across from here, straight across, and then we went all the way down the coast, exactly what we just did but backwards. It was awesome. It was really a good amount of fun. So yeah, down there's the bridge and everything. We did all that. It was pretty cool. Oh, the little Norman. What's happening, little Norm? Where are we going? Sweden. Alright, come on.
You'll be informed on the intercom.
Is it too windy upstairs?
Nah, you only see the back end.
Ah.
You don't see the front. I don't know how we get to the front. That's it. Break the sunnies. Have fun. There's an observation deck upstairs.
Can you get free coffee?
It's only that side that's open unless you go to the sun deck 2 stairs up.
Oh,
then,
cool.
Then you have the best view, she said.
Alright, we'll go there. Tack. Tack. Did Dad tell you there was free coffee?
Do you know why we can't go to that side fully?
No.
Because that's where the captain sits.
Oh, we're
You
going.
look at lollies here, they could be cheap.
I know. Okay, so we just
the
left Denmark and we're on the ferry. We're now heading to
Sweden.
Sweden. It's not as cold as it was up here last time we were here. Remember
Yep.
that? That was woo!
Much better. Here's Denmark.
Bye, Denmark. Here's Norman again.
Here's Sweden. Are you
Misses
okay?
me. Look over the edge here. Look. Kim, look, you're standing on the side of the boat. Cool, huh?
I like that idea.
Look, right over the edge. Woo! Kim, Craig, come fill this advice. Dad, we're up here.
Sweden.
How did you get there?
Did you go by Chewy?
Stairs, over there.
Where's all the jackets and everything that were with you?
What is it?
Where the Chewy? You got Chewy?
Sarah, come here and fill this.
Hi, Robert.
Come fill this. Feel it shaking?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to go back to Sweden. We're going to go to IKEA and where else?
Ingela?
Ingela, and have fika. See their amazing horses and house. And yeah, look at that one wave.
Yeah.
Are we going to stop out the front of Espresso House and get a coffee for everyone?
Are we not doing the one at Vala? It's easier.
Is there one at Vala?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
there's
that's right.
Espresso House.
Did you guys
Vala.
have coffee?
No, we're going at Vala.
How far away
Because
is that?
it's basically
5 minutes.
free parking and
Free parking
not
and
getting
5
lost.
minutes. Alright, so off to Vala. Hey door! Azina! Hey door!
We're almost there.
We are there. Alright, so we're now just at Holly and Humpus's and they're going to play on the bikes. Good luck. I said no, Kim said yes, so we'll see what happens. I said no. I said no. What do you think of the place though? You love it?
It's nice.
I really like it. This
Reminds
would
me of
be.
the farm.
It does. It's a farm, but we're so close to town. It's awesome. I can't wait. You excited, Zizi? Remember, slow and steady. He would keep up with.
He'll fall, yeah, he'll fall.
No showing off, okay? Yeah. That's slow. Should have seen him before. He did rockets. And he does little skids. He's gonna run it. Dude, that's a big kid. The tracks around the whole thing. So who's excited to put their child on a dirt bike for the first time ever?
Yeah. Without training.
Without any training or knowledge. When he goes the other way, there's a jump on the other side.
Oh, even better.
So he used to go that way and there used to be a jump and he used to go woo!
So how does he get back?
It's a whole circle, they go around.
Yeah, but he's on the road. Oh, he's not on the road.
Oh, he does. Let's have a look, buddy. Head up.
Remember, he's done it before.
Head up.
You haven't.
That's perfect, Craig.
As slow as you can.
Woo!
Haven't been driving ever?
Never.
Never.
So tell.
One you, Aaron,
We got about 90?
you want to drive with him?
I better.
Yeah.
I don't trust him.
Good idea.
Oh, never drive anything.
Never, ever.
Okay.
Come on, Nody.
All he had to do was do that when he went past and it would have been brilliant.
That would have been on thrall then.
Yeah,
Mate, with a full
you know the
throttle.
problem now, honey, don't you?
He doesn't want to buy.
He's going to want a bike. He loves it.
Oh, what a bike. Where can we ride it in Sydney?
Well,
but-
he
but-
can join a motorbike.
But I could see maybe
Club.
kicking the guy behind him.
But you can take
You
him
could
every
do,
week.
yeah,
You can
take
take him
him
every week.
instead of soccer.
And Grandma
You
will.
could do motorbiking.
Oh, look at him. He's coming. Hey, good boy. We're now going around the thing with Nady, ZZ and Humpus. They told me to go this way to the apple tree. So we're gonna find out. There you go. Face it forward. Woo! And then look at your brother. This is so cool. Having fun?
Yeah.
All done?
Let's go.
Let go. There you go. Hold that for me. pretty it is around there. Hey, Doc.
This one is wiggly.
Alright, so we just left Holly Humpus's, Nunez and Andre, and now we've just gotten to IKEA. First thing I wanted to do was eat because I am absolutely starving. So me, Sarah Barra went and got food, Dad held the table, and now we're going to smash out some food. What else are we going to do?
And then we're gonna get the wishing well.
Then we're going to go get the wishing well, and then once we get the wishing well, we're going to then shoot up to Holmstad. Then once we're in Holmstad, we're going to do the reception and the practice.
The
Rehearsal. So a lot to do in such a little amount of time.
Oh, we're also gonna move some flowers.
We're also going to move some flowers, so we'll
And
do
we're
that
gonna
too.
meet up Blake.
And we're going to meet up Blake. So we've got a lot, so we'll get it done. Alright, hey doll. Alright, so we're walking through IKEA. Sarah is on the phone planning, Dad's walking behind. And we're trying to find the wishing well. I think we found the wishing well. I saw something about it. It looked pretty cool. But right now we've just got to find the downstairs and the other wishing well. So Robert's having fun. Bear's having fun. We just got to find a wishing well. To make a wish? Yeah. Alright. Hey door. Hey door. Okay, so we were here 3 years ago, 2016. Dad stood right here for literally 2 minutes and was looking for where the light came from. He just was like, where's the, but it's it's the light. So reenact, Dad. Show me how it works. No. Where? Are you sure?
Positive.
How positive are you?
See it.
Oh.
Funny.
So this time you know. Oh well. Looks like you're not going to the nursing home. He knows where he's going. Alright. Hey door. You remember it?
I remember spending time looking for it, but I don't remember that spot.
I remember it completely. Alright, hey door. Hey door. What are you doing? Have a look at what?
How does it get the symbol?
What's that?
Oh, that one over there, not this one. Oh, okay. Just looking at the main light.